The story of the foolish mouse and his wise friend. A long time ago, in a quiet village, there lived two mice named Whisker and Goldie. Whisker was cautious and wise, while Goldie often dreamed of grandeur and excitement. One day, while exploring, they stumbled upon a beautiful house that belonged to a family of cats. The cats, known for their cunning hunting skills, had just left in search of food. The mice, particularly Goldie, were thrilled to explore this forbidden territory. Inside, they marveled at the lavish decor, adorned with paintings that subtly hinted at the perilous nature of the house, images of cats with their caught prey. In one room, Goldie discovered an array of colorful makeup. His eyes gleamed as he spotted a pot of glittering gold makeup. He had always felt ordinary and believed this was his chance to stand out. Despite Whisker's warning about the dangers of lingering, Goldie couldn't resist and started applying the gold makeup. Whisker, seeing his friend's transformation, tried to reason with him, but Goldie was mesmerized by his reflection. He felt special and ignored Whisker's pleas to leave. As Whisker watched anxiously, Goldie admired himself, convinced he was as precious as real gold. Suddenly, Whisker noticed the cats returning. Looking weary yet determined, he panicked and urged Goldie to flee, but Goldie was too captivated by his new appearance. The other mice, sensing danger, quickly escaped through small nooks and crannies, but Goldie remained. As the cats entered, they immediately noticed Goldie, his golden glow catching their attention. In a swift movement, they pounced. Goldie, realizing his folly too late, tried to escape but was caught and ate there and then. The cats, amused by the easy catch, remarked, "We've been hunting all day, and now we find a golden prize waiting for us." Whisker watched from a safe distance, heartbroken at his friend's fate. He wished Goldie had listened to his advice. The moral of this story resonated in the village. Listen to your friends and family and heed their suggestions. Like Goldie, if you don't, you might find yourself in trouble. Sometimes the allure of standing out can blind you to the dangers around, and wisdom lies in knowing when to step back and run away.